Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to group in Draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up the diagram and identify the shapes and labels that you want to group. So for example, if I click on this one right here, it is grouped. And if I try to move it, everything moves together. I'll show you how to do this with this one. As you can see, this one is not grouped. All you actually need to do is hold the control key on your keyboard and then click on the different elements. So highlight all of them that you want to group together. So I've highlighted all of these. And then here on the right hand panel, make sure you are on Arrange. So click on Arrange. And then if you scroll down here, you should see this option right here that says group, and the shortcut for that is Control plus G. So click on group. Okay, there you go. And once you click on group, this would be grouped, and then you are able to move it the same way. So let me go ahead and click on this. As you can see, it is grouped. So that is how you group in Draw.io.